Ginger is one of the most commonly used kitchen item in every other Indian household. But peeling its skin and making a paste every time before use is quite a task. Also, ginger dries very quickly. Many times I buy ginger and before I finish using them, they just start dying and I need to throw them. So I started following this process. It will help you have easy access to ginger paste all the time and also ensure that you are using every bit of it. I will peel the skin of all the ginger that I bought. I usually buy around 100 to 200 grams of ginger, which is enough for a week. You can also decide the quantity accordingly. After peeling the skin, give the ginger a good wash to ensure there isn't any dust or dirt left in them. Leave them uncovered for 15 to 20 minutes so that excess water dries off. Now roughly chop the ginger so that we can make its paste. Make a paste without adding extra water. You can use up to third speed of your grinder. Once paste is ready, transfer it in an airtight container and store in fridge. I make this paste during weekend and use it for the whole week. This paste will stay good for even longer, but it is always better to use fresh things as much as we can. So I feel storing it for a week is a great option. You can use a glass or steel container if you have. I just store it in this plastic container because it's very small and best to save space in my fridge. So that was all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.